So you take cement, water, stone, and sand. Et voila, you mix that all together and you make the concrete. The second most used substance on Earth. You name it, it's ubiquitous. You see concrete wherever you go in your daily lives. My name's Jonathan Moser. I'm the head of Environment and Public Affairs at Lafarge Canada Inc., a member of the Lafarge Wholesome Group. Today we're at our Exshaw cement facility, nestled here in the Bow Valley, where we're producing 2.4 million tons of cement, the largest cement plant in Canada.
Lafarge Exshaw cement plant is embarking on a project to build a low-carbon fuel facility, a new source of energy that uses a fuel source that was otherwise destined for the landfill.
Right here where I'm standing, right behind me, is where the facility where we'd be transferring in the different materials from wood fines, construction demolition waste, railway ties, textiles and carpets, shingles would all be incorporated in it. And the idea is to look at what we call a substitution rate.
Cement production is an energy-intensive process. Historically, natural gas and coal are the main fuels used to heat up the kiln. By substituting these fossil fuels for low-carbon fuels, Lafarge can dramatically reduce their GHG emissions while also taking care of waste materials otherwise headed for the landfill. Normally, these substitution rates are about 25 to 30%. Here at Exshaw, they have a capacity of up to 80%.
The total amount for this project is $28 million. We're proud to be the recipient of $10 million from Emissions Reduction Alberta.